Hello and welcome to all our quiz enthusiasts. Today we are here with a new episode of Wordplay Quiz. So stay tuned for the exciting quiz. Let's begin. 1. Land of the sun. Answer: Japan. 2. Land of the brave and kilts. Answer: Scotland. 3. Home to the Eiffel Tower and baguettes. Answer: France. 4. Famous for its pyramids and the Nile River. Answer: Egypt. 5. Where salsa and tacos are a delight. Answer: Mexico. 6. The birthplace of pizza and pasta. Answer: Italy. 7. Land of the brave and the free. Answer: United States. 8. Land of Vikings and beautiful fjords. Answer: Norway.
If you're enjoying the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Let's continue.
9. Where the tango was born. Answer: Argentina. 10. Famous for its cheese, windmills and tulips. Answer: Netherlands. 11. Home to the kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef. Answer: Australia. 12. The land of the maple leaf. Answer: Canada. 13. Known for its ancient temples and spicy cuisine. Answer: Thailand. 14. The birthplace of democracy and olives. Answer: Greece. 15. The Emerald Isle with leprechauns and shamrocks. Answer: Ireland. 16. A land of spices and tigers. Answer: India. If you like our videos, please do like, share, subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon.